This is number 61 on 5.2, day 3. So let's simplify first the bottom one. So I'll rewrite the top. Then the denominator, let's write that as 5 squared w16, and that's still square root. So I know the 5 comes out perfectly, so let me take out the 5. Then I still have w to the 16. So one way of doing this that's a little faster than writing out w several times is let's just write that as a rational exponent. So it's w to the 16 halves. Then let's write these as rational exponents as well. Okay, the index is 2 here. And this bottom one becomes an 8. So now we have w to the 1/3 times w to the 5 halves all over 5w to the 8th. Now in the numerator, we can just add the exponents, 1/3 plus 5 halves, and then 5w to the 8th. So in order to do that, you have to get a common denominator. So let me do the work here on the side. 1/3, we need to change that to multiply by 2 over 2, plus 5 halves. Let's multiply that to 3 over 3. So this becomes 2/6 plus 15/6. So this becomes 17/6. So now we have w to the 17/6 over 5w to the 8th. Now 6 can go into 17 2 times. So 2 times. Then we're left with w raised to the 5/6 over 5w to the 8th power. And then so here we have the squared that can take out 2 of here, so that becomes to the 6th power. So to rewrite this answer, 6 is the index, so 6th root of w to the 5th power over 5w to the 6th.